In this video, you will learn what is IB, or introducing broker, in the Forex market, and how you can make passive income out of it. Introducing broker is an affiliate of a Forex broker, and introduces potential clients to the broker. By doing so, introducing broker gets a commission on every trade that his client does. As long as the client is trading on his account, introducing broker gets commission on his every trade. That generates passive income for the introducing broker. As a introducing broker, your job is to just introduce the potential clients and done. We will take care of all the support from our end. Let's take an overview of the various groups with which you can start your passive income. We have 2.5 pip, 2 pip, 1.5 pip and 1 pip groups. Let's understand this. When your client opens an account in 2.5 pip group, you get $17 as commission on one standard lot. Similarly, for 2 pip account group, you get $12. For 1.5 pip account, you get $7, and for 1 pip account, it is $4 on each standard lot traded. Doing so, you will get a commission on each trade on his client's trades as well. However, it will be later than him. This is because your friend is putting all the efforts to bring clients. Let's look at the structure of your friend's client commission. When your friend becomes sub-IB under your IB, the commission will be distributed as follows. When your sub-IB friend's client trades one standard lot in 2.5 pip account, your friend gets $10, then you get $7. When your sub-IB friend's client trades one standard lot in 2 pip account, your friend gets $7, and you get $5. When your sub-IB friend's client trades one standard lot in 1.5 pip account, your friend gets $4, and you get $3. Similarly, when your sub-IB friend's client trades one standard lot in 1 pip account, your friend gets $2, and you get $2. Becoming an IB is a profitable and stress-free job that enables you to generate passive income.